I also wanted to focus on thinking, not just products. So AI can generate content very quickly. What employers want from people are people who can evaluate information, identify problems, and make strategic decisions based on the information that they have in hand. And so AI obviously is good at really de- bringing all that information to the forefront and letting us figure out how we want to use it. My assignments are designed to assess those higher order thinking skills, so I really focus on that. Most of our graduates will enter a workplace where AI is already embedded into daily operations, and by teaching responsible use now, we're helping them develop what professional habits they will need throughout their careers. We're also helping them develop those skills that they're going to need with AI in the workplace. And so once I've established these kind of ethical boundaries and expectations, AI becomes incredibly valuable as a teaching assistant to me. That's how I view it.